It's made out of Florida cypress and paper. The paper is joint tape, which you use in sheetrock application. It's a ready-made material that's really very pristine in a way. I mean, it certainly isn't intended to be used the way we used it, and it's really transposed itself into a much more elegant material than what people think of as joint tape.
This is a piece, installation that fills a whole room, and it's a piece that you can't come into and walk into. It's confined in its own space, and yet it's really big. And the way the 13 frames, they continue out, they touch the edge of the space as though they want to break out. And if they were allowed to, they would keep going, as if maybe they would fill the city.
When we were first approached to do this project, and we realized that it was a gallery which you could not go into.
So we were very curious about that, because when we designed the piece, part of how we designed it was so that it would, in a sense, visually move and engage them. We're always asking, well, why would we do this? Oh, we can make this. And then it's like, well, why would we? So we have to come up with a design or that we would say, that makes sense to do it in this place. And then there's a basic practical thing. Can we do it? Can we really build what we want to build?
I think one definition of a collaboration, and we've explored this, is you do this and I'll do that.
We talk just a lot about what we do. We argue a lot.
One thing we like to say about the collaborative act is it takes us out of our comfort zone. And it's very easy as you continue to make art to just start falling into it because it's easy.
When you're working with another person, one of the things you have to do is you have to be very strong because you want it your way.
It reveals a lot of my shortcomings in that I like to take charge and just have everything done my way. And I think with Carol, she's exactly the same. She wants everything done her way.
But you also have to be generous and give to the other person and allow them to have a voice. It's just allowed both of us to do things we never would have done before. And it's really great to have somebody do it with who's on the same journey. And when you sort of don't want to do it, we'll say, come on, let's go a little further. And we can help each other along with that. So it's exciting, it's wonderful, it's a joy and a gift.